Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara of Tamara Fashion Style, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. Please share my channel so you won't miss any video from me. And don't forget, if you want to know more about pattern drafting, check out my website at tamarafashionstyle.com, and you can learn more about pattern drafting on my website. I'm gonna put the website link down below this video so you can go and check it out. Now today in this video, I want to share some fabric I picked up today in town. Now I want to do some skirt. I have some skirt for do, and I have to get some fabric. So I go in town today and I picked up some fabric. I'm gonna tell you the price of the fabric, and I will tell you how much yard of fabric I purchased. Right? So before further ado, let's get into this video. Now I have, this is the fabric, the bag I have here. And I pick up a couple yards of this fabric. And when you open it, now mind you, I don't like too much of bright color fabric, especially to wear in the bottom, because the people who have a lot of hips, they don't need too much of bright color fabric. Alright, so I pick up more dark color fabric. What I do, I use more dark color fabric in the bottom, and I use more bright color fabric in the top. Right? So I go in town today since I need to make some skirt, and I decide to pick up two fabric. So this one is the first one I pick up, which it look like a black but is a navy blue. So I pick up this fabric, and this is a navy blue fabric I picked up here, and I buy this from my local fabric store. So this fabric here I purchased, if you pull it back you will see it's a navy blue. I purchased I think 1.5 yards in this fabric, or 2 yards, let me see, one. So 2 yards in this fabric I purchased. So I purchased 2 yards in this fabric here. This is a navy blue fabric. I purchased 2 yards in this fabric here. So this fabric here, I want to make a skirt, and since it's 2 yards, I don't really like too much of straight skirt because of my shape. This straight skirt, it don't tends to sit down properly, or if I do have to make a straight skirt, for it don't cock up in the back, I have to make like a high waist skirt, right? So since I get 2 yards in this navy blue one here, right, and this is 60 inches fabric. So this is this the skirting material. I forget what it is called, this material. Let me see the name on it. They have a name. They just call this material. I really like this material, right? It have a nice soft texture to it, and it have like a little stretch like in the fabric. It have a little stretch like in it, and I really like this fabric. I pay $26.95 for a yard of this fabric. So I paid $26.95 for a yard of this fabric. I will see if the other rest have the name on. So this is the navy blue, and this is 2 yards, and this $26.95 a yard. And I want that for make skirt. I don't know what type of skirt I would make yet, but that's why I purchased 2 yards, because I know I have to make not a straight skirt. The next color I pick up in the same type of material is this nice brown. You see this nice coffee brown here? I really like this kind of coffee brown, and this is 2 yards as well. I picked up inside. In skirt material, I always buy 2 yards in skirt material. So I picked up 2 yards in this skirt material here as well. I picked up 2 yards. So this is the brown, and this is what the brown look like. Now this is the brown to the navy blue, and all these material have such a nice soft texture. So that's why I go ahead and I pick up this. When I'm doing skirt, I look for the best material for pick up so that I can get a proper skirt, so that it would fit properly, right? So they said this is a Japanese stretch. So This is that's what I see on that mark is a Japanese kind of stretch fabric, but it's not really stretchy. It have a nice texture to it, and it's not a soft kind of stretchy fabric, right? So this here I pick up the brown inside as well, and I also picked up 2 yards in it. So this is the brown in it, the nice coffee brown, and the navy blue. The next color I pick up in it is this kind of nice gray. Now mind you, I always in my course that I did, they teach you that once you are heavy in the bottom, always put dark color in the bottom and put bright color on the top so that the eyes can come off of the top. So I pick up this nice gray here, and this as well is 2 yards of fabric I picked up as well. So this is the gray to the same fabric. So 2 yards. So this is the gray to the same fabric I picked up. So in my skirt I always would buy 2 yards in the fabric, and this is a nice gray. It's the same kind of texture. It feels kind of soft, you know, it just feels nice. It didn't feel like them suiting material, right? This feel like a different material to the suiting one. So this is the gray one, and this here is 2 yards as well. Now I mind you, I buy these fabrics so I can make some skirt right with them. Now I don't know the style of the skirt yet I'm making with them, but I decided to buy them fabric and just rest them there because I really need some skirts. So what I do, I would buy my fabric and I would build back my fabric stash, because I had a fabric stash and my fabric finished. So I have to build back a fabric stash. So that's why I go and I buy 2 yards of each of this fabric. They have it in a variety of color. They have purple, they have pink, they have green, they have yellow, they got white. Whatever color you want it in, they have it. They have all the colors. But I don't like bright color skirt because of my shape, because of I very curvy, right? So putting bright color in a very curvy body, it show everything, and then I don't like my underwear line show. So that's why I use more dark color. Next piece I pick up is this black. Now this is the black to it. It's the same texture material, but I find the black to me have a different kind of texture to that texture material. But they say it's the same texture, but to me it feels different to this type of material. Now the black I pick up 3 yards in the black. Now black fabric, always good to have black fabric, so I can make a dress, I can make a skirt, I could make whatever I want out of this fabric. So that's why I buy more in the black fabric, because I want to make a black dress. I don't know yet what style of black dress I want to make, but I pick up more in the black. So this is the black in the fabric. It's the same quality fabric, but to me somehow I find the black feel different, but the black is the same quality, right? So I picked up this black here, and I want to make a dress and a skirt out of it. So that's why I purchased the 3 yards. Now my skirt length does be 27 inches, so I would get a dress out of this black fabric. So that's why I pick up more in the black fabric. So I have 3 yards in the black fabric, which I'm going to use a piece for make a skirt, and I'm going to use the other piece to make a simple. I just want a simple black dress. You know, sometimes you don't want these big style clothes, these like fancy looking, all kind of style clothes. I'm a simple person, as you guys can see. I like simple clothes, and I like to accessorize it to suit me. So when I make simple clothes and I put my accessory with it, my clothes look like it's expensive, right? But I just like simple clothing. I don't like too much of fancy styling clothing. So that's why I buy this fabric. This is the black in the fabric that I purchased, and I'm going to use this fabric to make the skirt. And as I told you before, I don't know what type of skirt I'm making yet, but I want to make some skirt from this fabric. So I went in town and I pick up, this is the black, the 3 yards. So I pick up 4 pieces of the skirt at 2 yards. Now this the whole total for the skirt, for the fabric, this $26.95 a yard. So the total for the fabric, the pieces of fabric them that I have, come up to $202. Right, so there's a total that come up to the fabric, that the fabric came up to. So I purchased this fabric to make skirt. So I'm gonna show you what kind of skirt I make when I get into cutting the fabric. So I just come on to show you what I grab in town today, and I'll see you in my next video. So enjoy and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.